How to fix Snapchat Bitmoji. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly to apps option. Open the apps option like this and search here for Snapchat. Open Snapchat after this and scroll down and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what's next, guys? You have to go to notifications option. You have to disallow it and allow it again, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.